Hi, Tim Calling here, coming at you from Senior Leads Boost. I'm going to show you how to log into our exclusive CRM. That's a contact relationship management system. So here goes. You're first of all going to navigate in your browser to this address, crm.eldercell.com, and then you're going to go ahead and put in the email address that we have for you. It's the one you signed up with for our service, and then the password, which we will send to you in a private message. After you've done that, you'll see this screen, which will tell you that it is going to send you a security code. This is what's called two-factor authentication for security purposes. Sometimes you may hear this referred to as 2FA, two-factor authentication. Anyway, you can have it sent to your email address, or they will send you the code to your phone, which may be faster. So that's the one that I usually recommend. Then, after you get the code, you will put it into this section here and then click on Confirm Code, and it will log you into the system. So then it will take you into the main dashboard for the CRM, and in order to continue from here, you would click on Help Videos and begin learning how to use the system with our exclusive and very complete help video library. And I recommend just clicking on Getting Started Overview and begin watching the videos from there. Okay? Great. Well, I hope this is a very great tool for you, and if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much. Enjoy the system.